Hey everyone, Jason here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add some texture to a row or to your header or to any element that you want. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into our website. So we're logged in here. So this is the front end. And we're going to edit the header for this example. So I'm going to click on Customize. Now, while this loads, I'm going to show you another site here. I will provide a link to this website, but this website is called transparenttextures.com. And this is a great site because if you go through here and you pick the color that you're going to want to use. So let me just choose a darker color here. And then these are all the different elements on what they're going to look like in that color. So let's say we want to use Argyle. So we're going to click on download and it will then save it directly to my hard drive. So if we go back to our site, we're going to go to header and then we're going to go to header style. And then here under header style, let's go ahead and we're going to change the background color to that one that we had. So there's the background color, but now we're going to say we want to, so we're going to go ahead and choose the background image. So we're going to say select image, and I have already open on my other screen my downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and just drag that icon or that texture that I downloaded directly in. It's in the process of uploading to my media library. And when it finishes upload, I'm going to go ahead and say choose image. So now that we have it, you can kind of see it's right here in the dead center. But we're going to say background repeat. We're going to want it to tile. And that way it will go over everything. So you can also choose the position on where you want it, but since we're using a tile, we don't need to do that, but you can click on these settings and find the best setting for you. All of these are settings for you. So you can go ahead from here. And now that we changed the background color to a darker, almost a black color, we're going to change the text color to white. We're going to also go ahead and change the links for the header to white. So it'll then match our header so we can take a look at how good that looks. And when we're done, we're going to go ahead and click on save. Click on the X to X out. And that's how simple that is. All right, so let's add one little section here. So let's click on page builder. I want to show you how to do this in a row. It's the exact same fundamentals, but essentially what we're going to do is we're going to go here into the row, and when you hover over the element you're looking for, so the whole row, I'm going to click on the wrench. As the wrench loads, we're going to see here where it says background. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to choose photo, and from here we're going ahead and click on the texture we want. So here we're going to start with fill. We don't want any fill. You can see the texture right there. And we're going to go ahead and say tile. And again, play with the settings to make it what you want, but it's as simple to go ahead and simply just go ahead and tile it. If you scale it to none, you're good to go. Now, the last thing you can do is you can go into an overlay. And in the overlay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to choose any color here. And what this does is it adds an overlay so we can go ahead and really get the exact look that we're going for. So when we say overlay, full overlay color, and we're going to go with a darker color, an overlay opacity of 40%. And as you see, you're going to play with it to find what you want. The darker you, or the more you put here, the darker it goes. So really find what you're looking for, and when you like it, click Save. And then go ahead and remember, save often. Go ahead and click Done, Publish Changes. And that's how simple it is to add a texture effect on your header and in a row. This is a great website. There are many websites out there. You can add any texture you want, but this is Transparent Textures. There's the link below. And have fun editing. I'm Jason Christiansen, and thanks for watching.